This video is to share a tip that I learned from Jennifer Thomas on how to check for photos, say over the weekend, like on Saturday morning when she sends the report out, she's not checking the photos when she sends that report out. So this report, the photo accuracy report, is what she would normally run to check for picture compliance. And this tip that she gave is sort of a shortcut for checking pictures without having to run a photo report for every single survey number that you have going on that week. So I've run a photo accuracy report here, and according to Jennifer, if you go all the way over to the column that says file exists, it's on mine, it's column AR, and you select anything that says no in that column, uncheck there, and then only check no. If you delete all of the no's on the report, then what you're going to be left with is only stores where the picture is there for the survey if the survey requires one. So after you've deleted that, you go back to file exists, click the yes. Then you can go back over, and everything that's left on this report now should have a photo again if it's required. So you could sort this any way you wanted by survey number. So you'll know, and every survey number is on here, so you won't have to run a report for each survey. So if you go through here and check, you don't have to necessarily go survey by survey or store by store. You can just go down through here and again sort the file by store number if you want to, or by survey number, and do all the ones that have that survey. It should be helpful to you. She did mention though that you want to make sure that your dates match up because some of these surveys overlap. The our weekly surveys and or every other week, something like that. So if you run the report 2 weeks back, then you may run into something like that. And in some cases, you'll need to run it 2 weeks back and possibly 3 weeks if it's a survey that started a couple of weeks ago. So just be mindful of the date that is on the report, and this should hopefully help solve the problem of trying to look at pictures or verify pictures over the weekend. And I have a ton of pictures here. That's because I've got everybody in the whole region under me. But for each individual district manager, you'll have much less to look at than this, large report here. So hopefully this tip will help. And if I've said anything in here that's not correct, let me know.